Good evening to you all. We represent the energies of nature, of the wind and the water, of all things that make life on your planet enjoyable if you care to take the time to stand still and feel the wind on your face, or the rain, or even the sunshine. We collectively do not have a name, but we represent all of these elements. And we come to you with a very calming and loving energy, because we appreciate all that you do to bring calm and love to your planet. We come here often, but we don't speak, as you well know. But we enjoy being here, being part of you, and we are always with you when you do those earth healing meditations. So we send our energy out to you all, and we will leave you now.